Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to edit your announcement bar on your Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So to edit your announcement bar, all you have to do is click on Online Store on the left side corner. And then go to Themes, and here you can customize your themes. So I'm using this theme right here, so I'm just gonna click Customize. So if you're using any other theme, yours might be different from mine, just hit Customize. And inside, you can see a bunch of settings here. Now to edit your announcement bar, which is at the top right corner that it says announcement bar, all you have to do is on the left side, go on and click the arrow to drop these two options right here. Now to start editing, just click on this first one, and on the right side, you can change what it says at the top. So for example, let's put something like 50% discount, something like that. And then you can even edit this by clicking this bar right here or just clicking the announcement bar right here. And on the right side, you can see a bunch of settings again. So for example, I want to change the scheme like manually, you can do that as well, or you can change it in whole. So for example, scheme 5 looks like this, or scheme 2 look like this. Depends on your preferences. You can also put external link on your announcement bar. So for example, this is my announcement bar right here. It says 50% discount. So go ahead and click on that. And on the right side, you can paste the link right here. So for example, I want to link pages or blogspot or policies to whatever you prefer. And after that, just hit save. And then there you have it. You've successfully changed your announcement bar. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.